In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check TikTok Shop commission. If you sell through TikTok Shop, knowing where to find your earnings is essential. I'll walk you through the exact path to see your estimated commission and the number of items you've sold using the tools built right into TikTok. I'll also share a few quick tips to help you interpret what you see so the numbers make sense at a glance. Start by opening TikTok Shop on your device. This is the shopping section connected to your creator or seller presence. Make sure you're using the account associated with your shop so the data you see reflects your sales activity. From there, go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three lines icon. This opens the main menu where TikTok keeps your settings and creator tools. It's sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it's your gateway to the analytics you need. Next, tap TikTok Studio. This is your centralized dashboard for performance and monetization. It gathers your insights in one place so you don't have to guess what's working. Inside TikTok Studio, select TikTok Shop Creator. This area is specifically designed for creators who participate in TikTok Shop. It focuses on shop-related metrics and earnings rather than general content stats. Here, you'll see your estimated commission. Think of this as a running preview of your earnings based on completed orders. It's called estimated because it can change due to factors like cancellations, returns, platform fees, and final settlement. If you notice the number shift over time, that's normal as orders move from pending to confirmed. Some figures may update on a delay, so give it a little time after a big sales push. In the same view, you'll also find the number of items sold. This count helps you understand your sales volume at a glance. Use it alongside the commission figure to gauge average earnings per item and spot trends in what your audience is buying. If you see a spike in items sold but a smaller bump in commission, it could indicate discounted products or lower commission listings performing well. If any labels look slightly different on your screen, it's usually due to regional updates or app version changes, but the path remains the same. Profile, three lines, TikTok Studio, then TikTok Shop. Creator. And remember, what you see here is meant to guide your planning. Final payouts follow TikTok's settlement timeline. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly check your estimated commission and item sales anytime you need a clear picture of your TikTok Shop performance.